In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to install a Datalink license. Before we get started, it's important to ensure that there are no flash drives or external hard drives plugged into any of your USB ports, as your unique identifier will be tied to that if you open Datalink. So we can go ahead and open Datalink, find your application on mine is located on the desktop. Once we have that open, you can select No here. We're going to navigate to the Health tab. Going to navigate to the license page. So once this opens, what we're looking for here is our activation ID. So this is unique to your computer's hard drive, which the software automatically generates. So if you did have an external drive, memory drive, then this unique identifier will change as soon as you close the application. So ensure that there are no USB drives plugged anywhere in your computer. So you want to copy this, then you want to record this and send this over to whoever you're working with on the Fitness Sensor side, as we will need this to create your license. So next, once you receive your license file, save that anywhere you would like. I have mine located on my desktop. And here's my test license file. So we can go back to the software, head back to our license tab. Then you want to select import. Once you select import, you will find where your license is located. Once again, mine is located on the desktop. So I'm going to navigate to the Datalink license file. Then you'll see my test license there. Just click open, select it, then click open. And you see all the warning signs have gone away, and then it will provide you with the expiration date. And you can close this out. And if you want to verify that it did indeed work, this error message should go away once we reopen the application. So close this, reopen here. And that was successful.